Hey guys, in this video we're going to take a look at how you can set subtitles or captioning style to transparent background or large text or outline text on the iPhone 15 series. First, let's go back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. On the home screen, tap on Settings, and from the Settings page we scroll down and then tap on Accessibility. Next, scroll down, and in the Hearing section, tap on Subtitles and Captioning. In here, tap on Style, and then you can choose Transparent Background, Large Text. At the top here, you can have a look at the preview window. You can choose Classic or Outline Text. So this is what it looks like when you select Outline Text. And you can even create your own style. And that's it. After that, you can swipe up to go back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.